Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this 4K video. 60 frames per second with the iPhone SE 2020. Let me know down below in the comment section how everything looks and how everything sounds as far as the audio quality. Walking backwards. Did a 360 holding the iPhone SE in my right hand. OIS, optical image stabilization, on board. So yeah, let me know how that's doing as well. Okay, going to do a steady jog. And we're going to stop really quick. Everything looking great. Now I'm going to skip. Let me know how that looks. Bam. 4K 60 frames per second. You can hear the train. All right, I'm gonna run across the street here and we're gonna end this video test. Again, 4K 60 frames per second with the iPhone SE 2020 second gen. And I'm going to run again. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video. Appreciate your time and your support. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified when I upload content for you to watch. And please share it with the world. Yeah, man, everything looking great. Everything looking great. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm out. Peace.